Hello, happy Friday. Happy Friday. Good morning, morning. Good morning, morning. Yes, I'm here on a Friday. Oh, we have a gap up on NQ. Interesante. And we have a flag here. Awesome. Okay. Funny how we had a big move to the downside yesterday right before close, and now we're back to all-time highs. Like nothing is happening. This market is insane, but at least it's moving, right? We need the market to move to be able to catch some of it. A pullback to previous all-time high on NQ, that will be a gift. Yeah, that's kind of what I want to see here. Okay. NQ very, very strong. Why? Oh, look at that Nvidia candle. Okay. What's going on with Nvidia? Okay, we got Nvidia news. Nvidia above 204 is extremely bullish. And that's definitely, well, most likely is gonna move NQ. Intel and okay. Okay. Yeah, the market definitely needs a pullback. I don't know if we're gonna get it. I would love to see that. Oh yeah, look at that big gap up on the SMH. Huge gap up. That gap fill below, it's gonna be awesome. Okay. My SMH shares are very happy. My long-term portfolio is very happy with this move in the market the past 2 weeks. Awesome deep buy opportunity last month. Okay. So yeah, we have a possible flag here on both ES and NQ. What's my biggest top 3 holding? Just some ETF that I've been buying the past few years. But it depends also because I have like my long-term portfolio and I have a bunch of shares that I bought for swing trades. My ETF? Yeah, give me 1 second. It's VGT. Oops. Nvidia keeps having trouble at 203, 204. Apple is rejecting the VWAP. Yeah, so I'm looking for a possible pullback here to previous all-time highs on ES. I'm sorry, on NQ. Well, ES too, but not to previous all-time high. I will say pre-market lows. We also have this little level here that was important yesterday on ES. Coffee time? Yes, coffee time. Do we have data today? I haven't checked that. MP? I don't even know what's MP. MP stock? We do at 10? Okay, awesome. Thank you. Michigan sentiment. Is that a red folder data? So is it something that is really gonna move the market? Okay. Morning. Can we have a pullback here? Thank you. Yesterday was Thursday, today Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday. I'm so tired. I played Pickleball yesterday, so I played last night like 3-4 hours, and I'm so tired. I also played on Thursday night, like 3 or 4 hours too. I'm tired. I'm happy today is Friday. I need to rest a little bit. I need some beauty sleep. don't even know why the market moved so much to the downside yesterday here. What was this huge red candle yesterday? It was insane. And we have gaps everywhere. Iran news, war news. Okay. And we have this gap here. And we still have a little bit of a gap here, and we have a little bit of a gap here and a big one here also, just when the market started to go crazy. We have another one here. We had gaps everywhere, so the gaps are gonna get filled. I don't know when, but they are gonna get filled. We had gaps to the downside, and those gaps got filled last month. I really want to see this one getting filled here. This one here, just a big one. No, I don't read trading books. Everyone love trading in the zone. I don't read trading books, to be honest. I do read psychology books or yeah, mindset books, but not related to trading. I think any good psychology good habits book, you can apply it to trading. I don't read romance novels. They're so bad. Like the new ones, like all new romance book are so bad and so unrealistic. If wanna read something bad, I prefer to watch it on TV. If I'm gonna waste my time with some bad romance, I prefer to watch a movie or a short TV show, like a mini series or something like that. But if you know of a good one, let me know. I'll read it. Or make my own romance. I have my own one. Okay, can we have a pullback here? bigger pullback. We have SPY rejecting the VWAP and QQQ just being above and below the VWAP. So I have a Venezuelan background. I'm Venezuelan, not Colombian. You have been working on your patient. That's awesome. That's very important when it comes to trading. You guys saw yesterday how important it is to be patient. I took 2 trades early morning. On both trades, I got a fake out, and the trade play out just how I was looking for, a move to the upside, and I saw pretty much the entire move to the upside without me. And then I waited and waited and waited until I saw a good opportunity to enter a trade, and I turned my day from red to green. So yesterday was a very good example of how just being patient, you can turn things around and play it in your favor. We used to make the best telenovelas back in the 80s. I wasn't burned. I guess my mom can say that also. Okay, we have NQ right at my level. Let's see if it's gonna hold here. The white line is yesterday's highs. Let's see, we're gonna hold previous all-time highs, which is yesterday's highs on NQ. It's trying, still looking a little bit weak. It cannot hold here, it's gonna go for this gap. So basically from today's low till yesterday's close. Yeah, no problem. That's the whole idea of the stream, guys. Like showing you, like I'm only showing here what I'm doing and what I will say the reality of trading. Okay, I like that bounce. Yeah, I like that. Today Friday, so I want to close my week green, so I'm not looking for any crazy trades. I'm gonna trade with small size. Oh, we have data in 2 minutes. Oopsie. I forgot about that. Okay. Should I cut it here before data? Ooh, decisions. This looks so good for more upside, but data can definitely change that. Should I cut it? I think I should have cut it before data. That's the smart thing to do. I'm doing micros. You can see it here. Not mini. No minis. Micros. Whoa, okay. Okay. And we have move higher here. Yeah, ES looks like it wants more downside. Maybe retest of today's pre-market lows. Watch out, Apple holding the VWAP. You can really hold the VWAP, most likely gonna start moving higher, Apple. I'm canceling one there. Not the best hold here, but we're still holding support. Come on, give me a push here. Give me a push here, at least to the downtrend here. Want to see another push here and breaking that resistance, and then I want to see another one here and then it's gonna be here, and then this one. Go, go, push, push, a little bit more. Give me a little bit more, okay? Took one off there. What a trade. Beautiful. Easy one, easy. Friday. Boom Boom Friday. We've been killing it on Friday. Last Friday was also very, very nice. Cancel another one there. Holding one. Who caught that? Who caught this trade? That was perfect, guys. We waited. We had the right idea. We had a good level. We waited for that level. We entered at that level. We waited for confirmation that that level was gonna hold, and then you take profits on a bounce. I'm trading with 20 Apex accounts. Apex right now has a 90% off and only $69 for the PAs for the 50K accounts. Beautiful. Now I want to see a real breakout out of these bull flag. These are beautiful, beautiful bull flag. Bull flag, pull back to previous all-time highs, and then boom. Can we have a retest of the bull flag top? That's what I'm looking for here. There we have it. Nice. Awesome. That's what we want to see. That's exactly what I want to see here. We want to see a strong close here. Ew. Ew. That is no bueno. We could have a little pullback here, only to keep going higher. We could have that. Really nice QQ VWAP hold. Spice is still fighting the VWAP. How long am I been trading? 8 or 9 years. Futures, 3 years, I think so. Did I start trading Venezuela? No. Started trading when I came to the States. Thank you. PL Media, I see your profile and I think you do content. Can you help me with my, I'm looking for help for shorts and video clips. Shoot me a DM if you can help me with that. Spice rejecting the VWAP. QQQ is trying to hold it, but these two rejection candlesticks I'm not looking too hot. Get a video producer. Yeah, I'm just looking for help with shorts and video clips from the streams. Yeah, I want to see like a strong push here and a candle holding this little resistance here. We have a clear resistance here. Yeah, ES also needs to break this resistance here. I think if ES can break this resistance, definitely gonna start moving higher. Yeah, I've been doing pretty good lately. I guess I needed that 2 weeks vacation that I took last month, or the beginning of it was at the beginning of the month. Sometimes that's all you need. You need sometimes you need to take time off the charts. Having a Green Friday is the best. When I started trading, I had so many weekends regretting because I did stupid shit on a Friday, like blowing up accounts, losing all my money. It was so bad. Ugh. And still, most like Fridays are my worst days of the week. even though we're having a very nice Friday today, and last week was also very good. But still, if I'm trading on a Friday, I'm being extra patient. I'm trading with a smaller size than before. Because I know my numbers, I know my data. Like, how do you fix that? I will say just knowing, I will say using Tradezilla, it's gonna help you a lot. Knowing what are your worst days and worst time of the day. I know that for me, I need to leave the market open and then do. Oh, give me 1 second. Okay, so I can, most of the time, if the market opens and I take a trade right away, most of the time, I will say 99% of the time, I'm red. So that was another thing. I understood that I needed extra patience and I needed the market to open and let it do whatever it wants to do. And then after leaving, after like 20, 15 minutes, sometimes even 1 hour after the market opens, is when I can really understand what the market might do next. Will I stream 5 days a week from now on? No. I'm still gonna live stream from Monday till Thursday. It just if I skip one day of the week, I'm gonna come on Fridays. So I can see the market having a lot of trouble here. I kind of feel like taking my money and run and get out of here. Again, it's Friday. Like I said before, the market could definitely pull back again to these levels and then go higher. But I don't want to be holding my position for that. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop loss higher. If it stop me out on a deeper pullback, I'm out and done, which I think it's gonna do it. Yeah, I got a stop out there and I'm done for today. Happy that I took profits on the way up. I was only holding one runner. I'm done. Beautiful Friday. Yeah, we just can keep just moving inside here until finally breakout. Or maybe we had bad news and breakdown. I like more the move to the upside. So far, it's looking like it's consolidating, holding support. But I'm out of here, guys. I'm done. Beautiful, beautiful trade. I want to see some W's here in the chat. Who made money today? Who made money today? Awesome. Whee! Beautiful. I'll see you guys again on Monday. Have a good one. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.